Hey guys, wanna know how to equip your emotes from your inventory in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you've done that, on the bottom right you can see this inventory text right beside the upper arrow icon. Simply select inventory, and once you've done that, on the rightmost tab right here you can see this small supply drop like icon. Just simply select it. This is your emotes tab. Now right here you can see various equipped emotes. The check mark means this one can be used in the match. As I scroll down, there is some of them that do not have check marks in it. That means it has not been equipped. So if you want to equip it, just simply drag the equipped emote that is on the left side right here and take it to the inventory just like this, and drag the new emote that you want to equip to the empty slot right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can use it in game by using this emote icon right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.